To turn out to the concerning surge in COVID cases fueled by the Delta variant. Take a look at this graph right here. You can see after that drop in numbers, cases are climbing once again, and we are now seeing more hospitalizations and even deaths as a result. Victor Akendo is in Florida, the state with 1 in 5 of all cases right now. Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, Cecilia. Baptist Health is one of the largest hospital systems in the state of Florida, and they're now treating more than 5 times as many COVID patients as they were compared to just 1 month ago. And more than 90% of those patients have not been vaccinated. This morning, CDC Director Rochelle Walensky sounding the alarm on the Delta variant.
It is one of the most infectious respiratory viruses we know of and that I have seen in my 20-year career.
Florida is experiencing the nation's most significant increase in new case numbers and hospitalizations. New cases are up by 490% over the last month. Daily hospital admissions up by nearly 55% in the last week alone. Dr. Michelle Aquino says numbers in Jacksonville are skyrocketing and that 99.9% of her hospital's patients have not been vaccinated.
They're getting sicker faster, and we're seeing a lot of these younger people in the ICU, and we're seeing deaths in younger people. When you see someone under 40 die because of COVID, when there's a vaccine they could have gotten to prevent it, that breaks your heart.
Missouri reporting a 234% jump in new virus cases over the last month.
I personally have experienced more patients die within the past 2 weeks than I have had patients die in the last 6 months.
Some cities tightening restrictions. New Orleans and Philadelphia joining Los Angeles, now recommending that vaccinated people wear masks indoors, although the CDC is sticking to their mask guidelines for now.
You may choose to add an extra layer of protection by putting on your mask, and that's a very individual choice.
And health officials in New Jersey and Massachusetts tracking these breakthrough cases note that while some people have gotten severely ill or even died of COVID-19 after being vaccinated, these cases are extremely rare. And some good news out of LA County, where the weekly vaccination numbers are up for the first time since the beginning of May. Cecilia?
That is good news, Victor. So much of the discussion we're having right now around this has to do with booster shots, and there's the CDC advisory panel that is now expressing at least some support for one group of people getting these boosters.
Right, Cecilia. So the data so far indicates that an extra COVID vaccine does help protect immunocompromised people as it enhances the antibody response. This is according to the CDC, and while not an official recommendation yet, they will continue to study this data. Cecilia?
Okay, Victor, thanks.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.